Hey everybody, we are playing Paletteopoly. Hey everyone, we are playing with the Ace Beauty Paletteopoly. And now I'm ready to create a look. Well, two looks with this. This side right here is the numbers I pick according to the game that was in the palette, and then this one I came up with on my own. So I'm going to do one eye according to the instructions in the box, and one eye according to the way I came up with the second way to play that game. So we're going to do this. Keep watching, leave me comments, and I will answer you back. If you like my channel, subscribe and view the videos. This palette is beautiful. I'm right next to this big glass door because I want to do everything the first one in natural light. And I'm creating the eye look according to this right here. This gives you the different sections of the eye, and the part that I fill out, which is this side, which is with the card game. I'm going to pick my first color, and it's say my first color is called Mixtape, and that goes in the crease. Mixtape is this one right here. If you want to see the swatches, check the video up on YouTube. So my right eye, I'm gonna do the first look. So Mixtape is a matte, and it's a in the crease. I have very hooded eyes, as you can see this, that. I'm going to do it exactly how they want it. I'm going to go with my natural crease. So my natural crease is right here. You can see I'm gonna have a lot of dirty brushes today because I did not bring my brush cleaner, and I'm sitting on the floor. So this is my natural crease right here. So that's my first color, Mixtape. Second color, say outer corner, and it's called Shoulder Pad. Let me show you again what I'm working with. All of this. And if you check the other video, it will show you how I get these colors. Okay, so I need shoulder pad. Shoulder pad is a matte, and shoulder pad is this purple right here, and it goes in the outer corner. So shoulder pad, outer corner. These colors are very pigmented. I'm trying to stay exactly where they say. This is my outer corner right here, and I'm looking in the mirror. That's my outer corner. Again, I'm using natural light so you can see what the color, the shades, and so you can see what the shades look like in natural light. Okay, so this is my outer corner. So that's shoulder pad. My third color is for the lid, and it is called Big Hair. Big hair. I get some kick up from that purple. See it right here? It went into this color. But my next color is called Big Hair, which is this one right here. It's say for the lid, put Big Hair. So this is Big Hair, and this is my lid right here. I know I have the wrong brush, but it's the brush. I can't. The sun is going down. Well, it's it's not going down. It's very cloudy all of a sudden. Well, we had a lot of rain for 2 days. I'm going closer to the magnifying mirror so I can see what I'm doing. So I'm using big hair on my lids, as they say. That color is so pretty. Very pretty. Inner corner. My inner corner say Vogue. I'm using this brush. You gotta see where Vogue is. Okay. Vogue is this color right here. And it's a inner corner. So let's see Vogue. That's my inner corner. The brush is bigger than what I need, but those are the brushes I brought out. So I'm just going to pinch it to do my inner corner. Alright, so this is Vogue. The sun is back out again from under the clouds, so that's what happens when you're in natural light. Comes and goes, so bear with me. The fifth color say Acid Wash. Now the sun is out, hopefully you can see better. Acid Wash is this color right here. It's a shimmer, and I am going to use that in the lower lash line, it says. And you know, if you don't like the colors that you pick, you can play the game again until you get what you like. That's why it's called a game, you know what I mean? Just keep playing with it until you get the combination of colors you like. But the game is fun. The sun is out from the staff. I don't know if you can see my eye. This is what it looks like. This is the card with the Paletteopoly game by Ace Beauty. This is the eye. Now the clouds cover the sun, so maybe you can see better. This is what it looks like. I use all 5 colors. I use the outer corner, the lid, the crease, the inner corner, and under the lash line is the 5th color. 4 mattes, 1 shimmer, and the shimmer was under the eye. The shimmer was the one that went in under the lash line. The shimmer went in the lower lash line. Okay, so now that's with playing it according to how it came in the box. Then I find another way to play it, so I'm going to do it on my left eye. So let us see what colors I came up with to do it on the left side. Okay, the first color is Acid Wash. Acid Wash is the shimmer, and it say put it in the crease. You see what I'm saying? So Acid Wash is a shimmer, and it goes in the crease. Remember, I got Acid Wash, but it was for the lower lash line. Now, in the other game that I come up with, it came up with Acid Wash for the crease. So the game is fun, you just have to play it. Right, so crease. Again, I'm going with my natural crease. Usually I go above my crease, but I want to play the game so people can see exactly how to play it. I'm using my smudger brush to do this color, since I just used it to smudge my lower lash line. So you can use your brush the way you want and have fun. So this is Acid Wash, and it is in my crease. It's my crease color with the second way I played the game. And then I'm just smoothing it. So that's Acid Wash in my crease. I'm in natural light, so the sun goes in and out, in and out, in and out. So this is my crease color. My outer corner say big hair. Again, I had big hair earlier on. So my outer corner for this side, for my left eye, say big hair is going to be in my outer corner. On the other side, when I played the game, big hair was on my lid. So lid colored hair now becomes my outer corner. So you see how the game changes? Now my outer corner is big hair. So this is right here. This is my outer corner right here. I have very hooded eyes, so my eyelid space is small. That's why when I'm doing my regular makeup, I use all these spaces. Acid wash is in my crease. Big hair is in the outer corner. The lid is Macarena. Macarena is over here. That's the color for the lid. The brush is big, so I'm pinching it so it can work for me. Hey, Macarena. I just love this palette and the names because the memories, oh boy, the memories. The sun is back out, so I hope you can see what I am doing. So this is the lid with Macarena. My fourth color, which is inner corner, is Material Girl, which Material Girl is this color right here. And that's a shimmer. Okay, so inner corner is Material Girl. I'm using brushes today. I'm not even using my finger because I want to see how it works with brushes. The first impression, I'm using brushes. I'll be using my fingers for the next set of looks. I'll do another one like that again. Because I brought the blue too far down, the crease color too far down, it's changing the color of this shade. It kind of alter it a little, but you get the idea of what the game is like. So that's the inner corner. And now for the lower lash line, glasses, the lower lash line say we need Queen. Queen is this color here. It's a shimmer. So far I've gotten 2 shimmers for lower lash line. These are the instructions. This is the game. This is the palette. These are the colors. These are the shades that I pick and I create the eye look. This eye is with the instructions of how to play the game, the cat game, from Is Beauty. This eye, I have 5 colors. This one, I figured how to make the game, play the card game a different way and pull colors, 5 colors, and put it here and create this look. Natural lighting for you to see what both eye looks look like. Simple. It is really fun. It is cute. It will make you use colors you don't like. Me, I like all colors. But for people who are afraid to use this color in the brow bone, for people who are afraid to use shimmers in the lower lash line, or maybe shimmers in the outer corner, or shimmers in the crease, so it will push you to use those colors and you might end up liking it. End up with 2 shimmers, and both shimmers end up being in the lower lash line. So see, I didn't put primer. If I put primer, you'd maybe see it more. And if I'd used my finger, you could have seen it more. But I wanted to use the brush with all the colors to see how it performed, and it performed nicely. So it's like, I really like it. I really like the game. Would I have come up with that color? Maybe not. Maybe not. It's not blended to say where it's all blended. And like I say, I went with the natural shape of my eye. I did not create the crease above my real crease. I went with the natural crease. So anybody who's looking at this can see this is the crease, not the one I create, but the one my eyes and I was born with. So that's why I stayed that way. But I think when I play with it again and I do it like where I create my crease because of the hooded eyes, it will look so more the shimmers, that will be like fantastic. But this is it. Today's inspirational, encouraging word is strength. Strength. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I simply make up a saying to go out and live life, be fabulous, have fun. Bye.